everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. I'm gonna make a review and a live swatches over my lips and my hands so you can see the color live. I have three colors. I got these three colors from a while ago. I got these two colors first and then I got this red color because I wanted to wear something like a really bold, vibrant, vivid lip red color in the 4th of July makeup. If you didn't watch it, I'm gonna link in the card description box down below. I used this one. It was so amazing. One of the most favorite red lips I have ever used. I love it so much, and I used these two as a mix for, I guess, a couple of videos. My last videos, actually, I use a lot of matte lipstick. I'm gonna show you the swatches over my lips and over my hands as well, so you can see the color live and see the application and how it feels when I apply over my lips and all that stuff. So before we go to the swatches, I'm gonna talk just a little bit like a review for this matte Superstay matte lipstick. This one is one of the most amazing lipsticks that I ever used lately. I am a big fan of a liquid lipstick slash lip creams. I love it because you have a lot of control with the applicator to apply over your lips. Not like the regular lipstick. I still love them, but for me, I feel I have more control with the applicator when I apply lipstick, liquid lipstick, especially if I have to apply a really intense color. So the applicator of this lip cream is so amazing. It looks so good for me. I feel it more comfortable with me to apply it. Actually, I love it. It's not like a regular applicator that you can see in every lip cream, but it's really amazing. You're gonna see it. It's just like having this shape, and I feel there is a gap in the middle. I don't know, but actually the shape is so good for me to apply the lip cream over my lips. I love it. For the intensity of the color is so intense. Actually, with one swipe, you're gonna see in a moment, with just one swipe over my lips, you can see the color is so intense and so vibrant and so amazing. I love it so much. For the staying power, it's really super stay. It stays on like forever. I remember once, I guess one of my first times that I ever used this lipstick, I couldn't take it off from my lips, and I went to sleep and wake up in the next morning with the color still on my lips. It was insane, and actually didn't stay in the pillow, which is amazing. So the color stays on. I didn't know that I can't remove it with my regular wash, so I need a makeup remover to remove it from my lips. So what I did later on, I didn't have a makeup remover back then, so I decided to buy one to remove it from my lips, because if I didn't use a makeup remover, it will stays on for I feel like it will stays on forever. Even if I try to scrub my lips, it stays on. So it's really amazing if you want to wear a really long wearing lipstick, like for like a long day out in the summer or something, or having a wedding or something. It's really amazing. Whatever you eat, whatever you drink, it stays on. It doesn't stain. It doesn't stay in my hands, and I'm gonna demo like showing you that it doesn't stain. Like there is no residue or anything on my hands. It was amazing. When I tried it for the first time, it's just like, wow, what? There's no color in my hand, just no color. Is so amazing. So for me, I love this lip cream or lipstick so much. One of my favorites. I have three colors right now, but I really want to buy the rest of the colors because it's so amazing. And yeah, one of the most important things for me in lip cream or lipsticks is that smelling of that lip cream, because I love smell. I love the good smell, especially if I have like a candy, like sugary smell, and it was just like, oh my god, I'm melting. I love the lipstick or lip cream that have a really good smell in it. One of my favorite, actually it's lip gloss. It's from NYX, I guess. It's NYX Mega Lip Gloss. I'm gonna write the name in the screen because I can't remember the name. Is lip gloss and it smells like candy. It's just like, Oh my god, so amazing. So one of my biggest thing when I really looking for a good lipstick, the smell. If it doesn't smell anything, it's good, but if it smells good, like wow. Okay, now this is for the review. It's one of my favorite lipsticks at the moment, and I love it so much, and I really want to buy a bunch of the colors. So let's go for the 3-color swatches that I have right now, and I really hope that I can buy the rest of it so I can make a swatches for you. So let's go and dive into the colors. First, we're gonna start with the lightest color, and then we're gonna go deeper in color. So I'm gonna try this one first, and this one is the number 175, and it's called Ringleader. Okay, so this one is Ringleader, and it's the lightest one that I have. So let's dive into it and see.
Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
So as you can see, this is one application, just one time. I didn't dip it again inside the bottle. So as you can see, okay, skip the bad application. But as you can see, the color is so intense, so amazing, and it's super matte and super lovely. I love it so much, and actually fits my skin tone perfectly. So as you saw, I didn't take it perfectly because it was really hard to take it off, and I don't want to remove my makeup or my lips. So yeah, I took the color from my lips, so you can see the natural color of my lips that's right here. So this is the point. Okay, next lipstick is this one, and it's number 80 and called Ruler. So let's go ahead and try this on.
Days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
Okay, this is the second color, as you saw. It's called Ruler, and it's so amazing. I feel after the application, this one gets a little bit darker than the packaging, or the color itself becomes more darker on my lips. I don't know if it's normal or it's just my lip color, lip undertone just make it more darker, but actually I still love it. Still love the color, it's so lovely, and I love it. It's so amazing, one of my favorite colors. And of course, don't mind the application. There's only one thing that I didn't like about these. I don't know if it's like normal or only the addition of this one that we have here in Egypt, but it's a little bit sticky. So not really sticky, but it's a little bit just like you can see. I don't know if it's if that is normal, but it's a little bit sticky. For me, it's not bad. I don't mind it. if it's really intense and really super stay and have a little bit of stickiness in it. So for me, I guess it's okay. One thing that you can do to prevent this stickiness is applying a little bit of lip balm over it, so we'll give it a little bit of shine and like a glossy finish, and at the same time it will prevent this stickiness if you have it and you don't like it. And the color will stay on like for a long time as well, so don't be afraid that after applying lip balm or lip gloss over it, it will wear off. No, it will stays on, and it will stay good and amazing, but with a little bit of like a glossy finish instead of matte finish. So yeah. Okay, almost there. That was really hard to remove. I guess that was the one that stays on for the next day. Yeah, it was that one. It was so hard to remove. And as you can see, my lips are just swollen and plumpy. It's good, but it's really hurting me. So okay, now let's go for the last color, which is this lovely red one. It's 180 and called Dancer, and I love this red lip color. It's amazing. So let's try it.
I was waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Why did it take us so long? While I was dancing on my own, and now the prayers been answered.
Okay, and this is the last color, and as you can see, it's so vibrant. I love it so much. It's so vivid and so amazing. It's really like summer red. I love it so much, and yeah, it's a little bit more vibrant than the packaging itself. So yeah, so amazing. I love it.
Take us so long. While I was dancing on my own, and now the prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
So this is my review and swatches. I really hope you loved it, and yeah, enjoy the colors. I love these colors so much, and this product is one of my favorite lately, like in the last couple of months. I love it so much, and I really want to try the rest of the colors, so I give it like 100 thumbs up. I love it so much. So yeah, I really hope you love this video, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All these things will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. Love you so much. Bye.